Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tony from NOFA, New Jersey. Did you know that in 1971, the very first NOFA, or Northeast Organic Farming Association meeting took place in Vermont, where people really just gathered because they were interested in clean food and agriculture and community and wanted to create a support network for people with like-minded views. So here we are 50 years later, 7 states deep, and our network has grown so strong. We are some of the people that are the forerunners of creating environmental policy and the sustainability of our food for the future. Now, we have so many different ways that we like to help and interact the community, but one of the things that we've been missing a lot lately has been being in person, touch face-to-face kind of deal. And this month we have a few really awesome opportunities coming up. We have a on-farm blueberries workshop. You can check our website for a little more details, nofanj.org. But also something I'm very excited for is on May 24th, we are having a Taco Tuesday dance party. Yes, you heard that right. Taco Tuesday dance party. We will have carne tacos, vegan tacos, fish tacos, and a whole lot of dance music and a whole lot of people just like you who care a whole awful lot about the environment and making things better, making a stronger community. So please come join us, and you will be some of the first people to hear some of the newest news that NOFA has and is very excited to share with the world. So if you are not yet a member, there is a discount rate only available for those who show up at the door. $20. $20 to become a NOFA member. That's absurd. And if you are not already a NOFA member, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to come out, meet some of the people that are in our community, some of our chef friends, some of our farmer friends, and it's going to be a wonderful time. So I hope to see you all there, and I hope you are having a wonderful spring, and I look forward to seeing you.